Hello, in front of me I've got LG Q70. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter display. Now, from this menu you can manage all of your display settings. Let's start with the top of the list. So let's enter home screen. Now you can change between app drawer or standard home screen or easy home. That shows a simple layout with a large font size. Next you can change wallpaper, theme and icons style. Then you can change screen swipe effect between slide, breeze, panorama and carousel. And next you can change icon shape between original, rounded square, round or cylinder. Then you can enable or disable Google Feed, loop home screen, swipe down on the home screen, function between search, notification panel or none, and you can enable or disable home screen lock. That prevents app and widgets from being rearranged or removed. Next you can go to status bar where you can set up new second screen, which means you can hide notch. Also you can adjust corners for hidden notch. Next you can change notifications icons between show all except silent notification and off. And then you can enable or disable battery percentage indicator. In navigation bar you can switch navigation between gestures and buttons only. Also you can rearrange button combination, enable or disable show, lock, hide icon or hide navigation bar. Next you can go to comfort view where you can adjust blue light filter or schedule comfort view. In night mode you can enable dark mode for your phone, apply dark mode to images, wallpapers, or schedule night mode. Next you can go to screen color where you can select it between auto, cinema, sports, game or expert. Then you can change font size and font style. Also you can enable or disable bold font. Next you can change accent color, we can adjust display size, enable upscaling for certain apps, change brightness level manually or automatically. Then you can change screen timeout between 15 seconds, 50 minutes or keep screen on. You can enable or disable rotate screen by button, set screensaver between clock and photos or off, enable or disable one-handed screen. And that's it for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.